Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about color animation in our Qt QML application and how to use its basics property and how to implement the color animation in our Qt QML application. So let's start. So let's first create the one rectangle object to perform the animation of that object. Now let's set the ID. So here I set the my rect. Okay. Now let's set the basics property like width and height. So width is 200 and height is also 200. Okay, now let's set the anchor property to display our rectangle in center of your application. Okay, now let's set the default color. So default color, let's set the red color. Okay, this is the hex value. Okay, now let's create the color animation. So here we have to define the from and to color. Okay, so from color is red, which is by default. Okay, and this is the, let's set the green. Okay, so our rectangle color will change from red to green. Okay, now let's change the here duration. So let's set the 2000 and also let's set the loops. So here set the infinite manner animation dot infinite, and here set the running property as a true. So our application will run that time, this animation will automatically run. Here we have to provide the target where we want to perform the our animation. So here let's set the my rect, and here we have to provide the property. So property is color property. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. So you can see the color will change green to red or red to green. You can see the all the color are displayed in our on rectangle from red to green. So now let's take one more color animation. Where the color will change from green to red. Okay, so here let's set the green color from property and set the red. Okay, send this same duration and also assign the target as the my rect, and property is color property. Okay, okay, now let's create the one sequential animation to perform this both animation in sequential manner. So now simply cut this code and paste in our sequential animation group and set this property here for sequential animation. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. So you can see the value is first of all set the red to green and then after green to red. So all those color are displayed in our rectangle between the red and green. So you can see, you can also change the color here. So let's change the green to blue, and here change the blue. Now let's run the application and check it. You can see the colors between the red and blue. You can change the duration also here. So let's change the 1000 millisecond. Now let's run the application and check it. So you can see the animation speed. So if you want to display this animation in circle object, so just simply divide your rectangle height by 2. So radius is divide height by 2, and now let's check it. So you can see the animation effect on our circle object. So please drop your comment if you have any questions about color animation, sequential animation, and how to perform the animations in our Qt QML application. and please like this video and share this video with your friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.